In the previous videos, we built macros action by action, but there's a shortcut. Do the work once by hand and let magic Automa watch your hands. This is the macro recorder, and in this version, it's been rebuilt top to bottom. It records smarter, and you polish the result without even leaving the recorder. Watch. I record, I work, I stop, and now this button redos everything by itself. It starts here. From this moment, clicks and keystrokes are written down. So keep movements clean and the pace natural. Your pauses get recorded too, and they're precious. And the first novelty is right at the end. To stop, you don't mouse back to the recorder window. That trip would end up in the recording too. Press Ctrl-Shift-S from anywhere, and the recording ends right there, clean. And here's the second difference, visible at glance. The draft is born clean. The sentence I typed is one text row, not a shower of single keys. Combos are exact. Ctrl-Shift-Z stays Ctrl-Shift-Z, Shift included. A key pressed 10 times becomes one row with repeat 10. A drag is recognized as a drag. Less cleanup later, because the recorder understands what you're doing while you do it. Third novelty. The quick polish happens here, no editor needed. Reorderable rows, multi-selection to remove stray clicks in one go. And this spin box that caps the pauses. If you got distracted for 10 seconds between clicks, the macro shouldn't inherit that. And before saving, test macro. You try it right away, from the recorder on the same path as the editor's test. If something's off, you find out now, not tomorrow. And this is the most powerful one. A recorded click is a fixed point on the screen, and fixed points betray you. Move the window, and the click lands on nothing. Now, every click can be converted with a right click. Last user click. The click goes where you clicked before launching the macro. Relative to previous. The distance from the click before, perfect for menus. Relative to window. Anchored to the front window, move it, and the click follows. Watch. I move the window, and the macro still clicks right. And if you change your mind, you convert back to the original absolute. The recorded coordinate is never lost. When to use which? The recorder wins when the sequence is made of gestures. 10 clicks across 3 windows, record in a minute. Building by hand wins when you need logic, forms, conditions, the dedicated actions that hook into real controls. And the best method is often hybrid. Record the skeleton, convert the fragile clicks to relative, and enrich in the editor. For Mac users, the recorder listens to your keyboard and mouse, so it needs the accessibility and input monitoring permissions. Video too. If recording won't start, that's almost always why. To recap the new recorder, stop with Ctrl-Shift-S. The draft is born clean. You polish and test without leaving the dialog, and clicks convert to relative, which is the difference between a fragile recording and a macro that lasts. Subscribe for the next ones.